change a thing now, there was never trust.
What's up, guys? So we're here at O'Neill's in Baytown. This place just opened up 6 months ago. Place right on the water, as you can see right in the background. This place, we got our jet skis over here, parked over here. Plenty of parking with some fuel. I got 87 octane with some marine additive. Pretty reasonable in pricing. So I'm gonna take y'all inside. We'll go check out the place. They have an awesome patio outside. This is a perfect place to stop at when you're going to Kima, like from, let's say, San Jac area, San Jacinto River, and then you come all the way down. Stop by here, just bar hop, have some lunch. So here's some of the outdoor activities. They've got bags for you, some cornhole, washers. Thank you. Got some nice couches out here. ATM, especially if you forget to bring cash. Some crawfish, fresh seafood. Who doesn't love a little golf competition going on? And then also darts. They got a full bar. Full tables. Big outside. How's the food? It's good? Hey sir, how's the food? Is it good? How's the food here? How's the food? Pretty good. Good. They've only been open 6 months. I was talking to them. He was talking. She bumped you? No. Oh. Like the one in the back of line. I'm like a driving. No, not needs you. What happened? It won't start? Maybe you have just a bad connection, terminal connection or something.
The interview. So no, the interview now during the fail.
It's not in there, right?
No.
Because I'm messing with this now. I'm going to take off the other extra little piece that I have on here.
All right, Under, we're going to head back. We'll come back for you.
Yeah. You just call us, let us know if everything is okay.
And I'm taking off all of the extra stuff.
Oh, yeah.
2 hours later.
Let me take the other one off. Red is hot, right?
Yep.
Yes.
Don't drop the screw.
Don't drop it.
Yeah, drop it. It's on the river. I don't know how many screws I lost already.
No, I make sure I try to get the screw out. Did you drop the screw? Hey. No, I just want to let you know this is the second Yamaha that has gone down while we were riding.
Oh, what? Technically gone.
I'm just kidding. We're just messing with you. Somebody else told me to say it right now.
I checked my battery, or I started my jet ski before I left the house. I swear to you. Still connected to the turbocharger for like 3 months. I don't know why I'm in this situation. It's just a horrible thing. Idiot horsey.
Because the Yamahas always pick on the Seadoos.
Yeah, because you don't.
Always picking on us.
Oh yeah, the problem with that was user error because I didn't actually turn on the power.
No, but you don't need this anymore, right?
No, I need it.
Oh, okay.
I haven't. 'Cause
Okay.
I couldn't. Once I was trying to connect the black, that's when it was like moving. So I was like, oh, the screw is not down there all the way.
Well, maybe you don't even need to do it, don't you?
I said, nobody ever talks
Oh,
shit
you know
about
what? You want to just try it?
Seadoo
Yeah.
Just try it without it.
Yamaha.
Yeah. Try it without it.
Okay, try it.
Try it. Just try it.
Just try it. Oh,
Oh.
No, he didn't hold it down. See?
the
Give me
screw. It was just the screw.
Game on.
that. Is that so? What
Just
exactly?
the screw. You know, tighten. Lefty, righty, wait. Righty, righty, tighty, lefty, loosey.
They don't know how to use their skis.
I don't know how to do it.
Maybe you have just a bad connection, terminal connection or something.
That was weird. Like nothing was coming on.
Yeah, it's a disconnect.
I'll get you eventually.
No, I didn't screw the screw
The
down.
terminal was done.
Who is the girl?
Watch out, you're going in here.
Have to make it memorable.
Yeah, and I almost ripped my pants again on that. Yeah. Bye, O'Neill's.
Pretty good food.
I want the who motherfucking representing it here tonight.
Oh, you need another one.
Murder on the beat.
Hold on. Oh, there.
Trap money,
There. There. Oh, no, you gotta do it. Kiki, do you love me? Hey, do it on the side of your ski.
never ever leave from beside me.
Oh, no, hell no.
And I need
So earlier, guys, we could not see shit. I couldn't see any of those signs. I couldn't even see that damn bridge right there. That's how foggy it was. I didn't see the bridge until I was literally right there with the bridge.
I know. I was underneath the bridge and I realized I was at a bridge.
Right? Now, where's that damn ship, that ghost ship? It just sat there?
Oh, it's over there.
No, I think it just sat there because it's not there anymore.